The triangle angle sum theorem. The triangle angle sum theorem states that in any triangle, the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. And the proof of the triangle angle sum theorem involves first extending AB. So let's take AB, make it a line, and draw a line through C as well that's parallel. So extend AB to a line and construct a parallel line through C. So there's AB, and we constructed a parallel line through C. Now, use alternate interior angles to find congruent angles. So angle 1 is alternate interior with this. So that's, I'm going to write as 1. And angle 2 is alternate interior with that, so I can write a 2 there. Because the three angles make a line, we can say that the measures add up to 180. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 add up to 180. So that is the triangle angle sum theorem. The three angles have to add up to 180. We use this all the time in geometry, and here's a simple example. We can write the equation that the three angles, whatever those angles are, have to add up to 180. So here were our three angles, they add up to 180. Here, if I ask for the value of x, not only do I have to write the equation, 4x plus 13 plus 7x plus 34 plus 6x minus 3 adds up to 180. But also, I can solve that. And if I solve this, I combine like terms. So 4, 7, and 6 are like terms, and they add up to 17x. 13, 34, and negative 3 are like terms. They add up to 44. Subtracting 44 from both sides gives us 17x equals 136. And dividing by 17 on both sides, 136 over 17. I think that can't be simplified any further. Nope, 136 divided by 17 is 8. So that gives us the value of x. Here's a problem that involves the triangle angle sum theorem. So it also involves some other rules. So for example, equilateral triangles, like this one, ACB, is equilateral, so that's why I know that each of these angles have to be 60. So that's 60, that's 60, that's 60. Because this is a coordinate plane, I can say that right angle and 60 and this angle, let's call this x, have to add up to 180. So 180 equals 60 plus 90 plus x. So these, when we solve that, we get 30 equals x. So this is 30. Well, that's 30. Now that that's 30, this will be 30 because these are isosceles. This problem, you can kind of use the triangle angle sum theorem if you'd like. you can say that this is x, so then that's x. This 130, you can say is a linear pair with this, so that's 50. And now this triangle, these three angles have to add up to 180, so x plus 50 plus 20 equals 180. And that gives us x equals, I believe, 110. So those are some example problems that can be solved using the triangle angle sum theorem.